Hello, everyone. It is I, the Phantom Knight. I'm here with Wildfires. We're going to be continuing off here. We're going to be searching for 5 pebbles.
Today we're gonna be going 5 pebbles, then to get the echo so we can know what the echo says.
Yeah.
Because every time when I go up the wall, I just skip that part. You know how Spearmaster, I'm
Yeah,
purple?
okay. I'm guessing we gotta go up again.
Yeah. I feel like you're better at this game now.
I mean, that short amount of training, season 1 definitely improved me. Hurry up.
Hey, I hate it when it happens whenever you climb up the wrong direction and you just hit your body on the top of the
Okay.
wall.
Now we're going to the least favorite area of mine.
Wait, no!
Wait,
You killed me, bro. Oh my gosh.
wait! I'm gonna have to carry you all the way down now.
It works. Okay. Okay. You know the thing with
Yeah.
Gourmand, you can just like land on creatures and kill them.
Okay.
That's what happened to you.
If I remember season 1, you mentioned something about like a daddy longlegs be here.
Yeah, but we don't have to worry. Once we're in Rivulet, we will have to worry a little bit. There's a little bit more rot than but because we're in a campaign that's before Survivor, there's a little bit less.
Okay, I still remember. I hate this so much.
Yeah. Right.
Will we be doing with any daddy longlegs here?
No, I don't like dealing with them.
No, I'm talking about like in this campaign.
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh wait, no! Oh fuck!
Just leave me. Come back for me later.
Wait, will your body be fine there?
It will stay here.
Ugh, I hate this so fucking much.
Oh my gosh. Just hold down. Hold down and
I'm holding down.
there you go.
Okay, finally.
Just go. Leave my body. Come back for it once you come. I
Why is
will
there a random floated spear? Wait, is that the rot right there?
no.
Why is there a random floated spear here?
There are always spears. There are floating spears and rocks. You can use them to like boost yourself.
Uh,
Oh my god.
I hate this.
You want me to do this
Yeah,
faster?
it is. It'll make things faster.
Like sometimes spinning in circles can like be faster.
Okay, so there's like no enemies through this tunnel. Correct?
Yeah. You see that wall right there?
Yeah?
In Rivulet's campaign, there would be like the rot there.
Okay. Oh, it brought your body here. No? Oh, wait, I think.
Yeah. Glutinous beast, what brings you to my chamber? You are like no other messenger before you. Perhaps I have underestimated the ability of your kind to communicate my existence.
The f you mean, bitch?
With the recent traffic through my structure, however, I would hesitate to believe that you will be my last encounter with your kind.
I'm gonna kill this bitch.
I would prefer to discourage further visitations in the future. I have long since placed the outer perimeter of my facility grounds into a lockdown. You have the same problem as everyone else, from the microbes in the processing strata. However, your particular rotundist
What the f does that mean?
calling you round.
I'm gonna kill
A
this
simple
bitch.
animal ignorantly. Okay. I do not believe my intended purpose will be much help. I can open the facility grounds. Will now prevent you from getting out. Perhaps this strategy will ill conceived after all.
Wait, is he gonna trap us in here?
He will open up the gate, the karma gate to. Go west through the underground tunnels at the outskirts of my territory. You will find the gate to the other world. Through whatever method of communication you choose to employ, to also go west off the waste.
Where are those? All the pebbles he has?
That's all the pearls.
What happens if I eat one? Will he kill me? Time to carry your body back to the hibernation chamber.
Do you want me to make this faster?
No, I think I got it.
Press Y to grab stuff. Wait, never mind. I would say don't do that. Press Y to
Wait,
grab me. Hold Y.
wait, I think I got your body.
Yeah, hold Y.
No, wait, fuck.
You haven't. Yes.
Fuck. No. Er, er. Okay,
Wait.
I got your body. What? What?
Alright, so.
Something bad gonna happen?
We'll see what will happen once we get the echo.
But first, I'm dropping you off in the hibernation chamber.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wait, something dragging us back.
Throw the rock.
Wait, no.
I do this. As I'm hitting myself with.
Gotta hurry up.
Okay, just work your way to the pole and everything should be better.
I hope so, because I fucking hate the going to 5 pebbles.
Yeah. I hope the echo actually brings us. I hope we don't have to do 5 pebbles again if we get the echo.
But first, we're heading to the hibernation chamber. Then we're going to the echo. Okay.
Yep. Well, it automatically senses the chamber, but yeah. Um,
Well, I think it's better if we go there first to save our progress.
yeah. Oh, left.
Fuck.
Yeah. Oh my. I'm surprised you did that, actually. Now you get on that ledge on the left. There you go. And you gotta do another pole jump to here.
Oh, fuck. I feel like if this was real life, I would already be dead by now.
Yeah. I don't think humans would be good at climbing poles.
Yeah, I was about to say the only insanely athletic ones would mainly be alive
Yeah,
if this was our future.
I got it.
Would you agree, Lava?
Yeah.
Like, I feel like two-thirds of over two-thirds of humanity would be dead. No offense to those who are watching this channel, but I still do believe two-thirds of all of mankind would be dead.
So, okay, what we could easily do is we could do a.
Wait, I need you, body, so we're gonna have to hibernate.
All right, we'll try it. Okay. Okay, what you're gonna have to do is hold down. Hold down.
Oh wait,
Hold down. I'm not letting you.
no.
Okay, go through.
Looks like we're gonna have to go to the Echo anyways.
Yep. Now, this time is when the echo will actually speak to us instead of like immediately taking us information.
He just looks dark. But still, this just looks ominous with how many karma gates are open. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah,
But why is everything pitch black?
because it's supposed to be raining about now.
I think there's no rain up here. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, because we're above the clouds and we're above the we're above 5 pebbles. So. I think there's like a pearl right there, but
We don't need it.
yeah. I'm gonna grab it just so we can throw it into a shelter. But
Why throw it into a shelter?
I don't. We won't need it because it's literally just a lore pearl. We're not going to Looks to the Moon this campaign.
Yeah, I was about to say we don't need them. I was about to say I don't really care about the lore right now since I already have a lot of questions as is.
Yeah,
Okay, so just go this way.
yeah. I've never been to this point where it rains in this in the top of the areas.
Okay.
We can feel
Feel
your
your
presence,
presence, little
little creature.
creature.
Your
Your
attunement
attunement
has become
become
much
much
closer
closer
to
to
ours.
ours.
The
The
mark
mark
you
you
receive
receive is
is
unimaginable
unimaginable gift.
gift.
The struggle,
Struggle,
the
the
cycle,
cycles,
it can
they
all
all
fade
fade
away
like a
like a
morning
morning mist
mist
beneath
beneath
the
the
glory
glory
of
of
the
the
sun.
sun.
We found
In
a
a
way.
way. I just like how we said that perfect sync.
Yeah, like we were talking Echo. All right, it's good. We have three more. No,
Okay,
no.
we're definitely making this into a YouTube short of us basically talking like our own little echo.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we're back. Wait a minute. We have to pass the Carnage gates again. Fuck. Wait, do we have to go back to Five Pebbles?
I don't think so. I hope not.
Oh wait, no, I see the little blue. Look.
Okay, we have things, so we're good.
Wait, I think it mainly just showed for me because I didn't see one above you. Okay, that's good. I'm guessing we won't be encountering another echo for a while. Right?
Okay. I got more where that came from.
Fully still next after I throw away this one. But still, this honestly looks ominous. Um, whatever the fuck's the word's called with how there's so many open karma gates. Like, why does Five Pebbles leave that open? But I still wanted to kill Five Pebbles there.
Rotundus, glutinous beast.
Now I just want to kill you for that.
Yeah, that's what you said. You better not.
I I was just showing that I wouldn't hesitate to do so.
What if we both kill each other at the same
Uh,
time?
oh no, let's try that.
No, 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 I'm not trying that.
Okay, we'll do that another time.
We'll do that in arena.
I was about to say, you struggling to jump?
Roll, but no. What? I'm alive. I'm alive. That spear throw was weak enough it didn't kill me. Now I'm probably gonna die soon.
Wait, you are?
You just threw a spear at me.
Wait, are you even gonna die because of it? I don't think you are. Because it's probably too weak to kill you. And because I was much farther away.
Is there any?
No, we're not going for collect. Are you trying to kill? You
Uh,
want me to eat that?
yeah. Can you grab it? Throw the spear. Grab the spear, and then hit Y.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Uh, this was weird.
Okay, hold on. Let me throw this way.
Okay. Press Y and hold Y. Do it again.
You almost died there.
I almost died multiple times. Okay, I guess we're killing him.
Wait, did I?
You killed an overseer. I don't think we can eat him.
I'm gonna try first. Wait, this is an oversure?
Yeah. Okay. Guess not.
Nope.
Okay, you're just swallowing it.
Oh, so I can't eat it. Fuck. We're going. I can't eat.
I was about to say, you need to be careful. Ow.
That's why I'm taking down the safety route.
I want there to be squid potatoes, so
What's a squid case?
one of those things that you can grab and you jump higher.
You want me to go back?
Eat that. Uh, you have a bat. Okay. To you, it doesn't work.
I'm guessing this is like a short cycle.
We're gonna take this hibernation. Because there will be a bunch of lizards down there we will be trying to kill. And we'll need a lot of.
So you do the killing, I do the eating.
Yep. I will drain them. Oh wait, actually no, we don't need a kill. Because once we get to Chimney, there is a flower or popcorn plant. So we can just skip everything.
You
We
sure?
got a message. Is there a
Wait,
message?
wait. Should I have clicked on the passage?
No, we don't need passage right now. If we really need to, if we really need karma, we'll have passage. Barely fits both of us.
Yeah, I remember a Survivor. Now it's like big enough to hold the both of us, but not. But now it barely even fits it.
um,
Um,
okay, just take a spear. Grab a spear in case.
where is Spear?
Right there. Okay.
Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do on killing.
Uh, good luck. There are white lizards out this area.
I don't see any. Do you see any?
Nope, I don't.
Okay, then it must be safe.
Wow. Gourmand is pretty strong. Can drop on. We can easily kill each other more now.
Do you see any?
No. Okay, I'll let you know if I see one, but I'm pretty good at spotting them because
Okay.
I'm a white lizard. So,
Expertise.
yeah. And there'd be like a slight change. Alright, be careful with these pole mimics. You want me to grab
Uh,
some
is
food?
that a poem mimic up ahead?
These two are pole mimics.
Okay, so I just
Just
gotta drop.
drop, just drop down here. There you go. Okay. Can I see the thing real quick?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, let me just get these.
Wait, is there a drop weed here?
Not up here.
Oh, do drop weeds not exist up here?
They don't. They don't fall. They don't go up this line.
Why? Is it because of five pebbles?
What if there may be a chance I could be doing something risky here?
What you do? And there's a white lizard. Wait, why is it not fighting?
I think I killed it.
I
I killed it.
should I eat it? Yeah, might as well eat him. Since it's cannibalism.
Wow. Jump.
Took one hit and he's already gone.
I didn't even fall that far. You saw right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
very little fall. You can like kill white lizards instantly.
Yeah.
Literally gonna drop on you. If you come near me, I drop. Yeah,
Is there a
not.
drop weed anywhere nearby?
I'll let you know if I see one.
Yeah, because I struggle to tell where drop weeds are.
This is the area where they usually are.
I don't see any.
Let's see either.
There could be none this cycle. But I'm also surprised there's no lizards.
Surprise! I wonder if the white lizards are up top. You know?
Yeah, but We would have encountered one unless they've fallen off.
Yeah, that's a white lizard thing.
I don't see any of the enemies. Where are they?
Okay, we're near the chamber, but I want to be careful because we are not safe yet. Okay, do we have enough food? Yeah, we have enough food.
Yeah, and I find it funny
We
how.
can take this hibernation real quick.
Uh, uh,
There you go.
there we go.
By the way,
Now chop your body right there.
you stay right there. You better not leave.
Wait, what's this?
It's basically like artwork.
That's me crushing a lizard.
Yeah.
Nice.
2 kills.
I killed you in white lizard.
Yep. Alright, time for me to. Alright, try not to kill me.
I make no promises.
If we make it through the area, I'm gonna get some spears just in case.
It looks like you're gonna be carrying me.
Okay. Once we get through, I mean, I will carry you because I.
Because you know I am not that good
Yeah, not that good at.
killing lizards. Yeah, so I feel it's best to keep you on your back until we reach safer areas.
Also, I can make you eat.
Yeah, because we need a lot of food, right? You agree?
Yeah. First, we throw the spear into the wall.
Okay. Wait, did we get everything from there?
See?
Yes.
It's literally that easy.
Let's just pray a vulture doesn't come down on us. Wait, what's that vulture up ahead? Yep, it's a vulture. Run!
Gosh! Oh my gosh, we would have been dead.
There was two! Okay, I think we just stay down here. Like, they can't get us here, right?
Think about it.
Yep, he's coming this way! Is he stuck?
Yeah, leave. Leave.
Run! Wait.
You're alive.
No! I'm so sorry.
Yo.
I am so sorry. I was trying to kill him.
Okay, don't worry. We got enough food. Now I can use Gourmand. It's alright. I don't know how, but like, I accidentally hit you as well. But you live.
I think it's because I'm a lot more durable than you.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this the one that we've been hitting?
I think it is. See, blue spear. Okay, we need to hurry out of here.
Correct.
Because I highly doubt we can win a battle against two of those.
Yeah. Especially with the spears. Without an explosive spear, that'd be difficult.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying we should immediately get out of here. We cannot win this fight.
Like if we had one explosive spear, then maybe a fight.
But we don't. We just gotta get out of here as quickly as possible.
What are you doing, Blue Lizard?
Yeah, we
I hope a vulture comes down and you die.
in three, two, one. Damn, that usually works.
Wait, there's one actually coming.
Wait, really?
There are two.
Two? Oh
Go for
no.
the blue lizard, you vultures.
Should we go down?
The blue lizard is vulnerable, not us. We're not blue lizards.
Okay, should we continue running?
We need to go through the left.
Oh. Now let's hurry over there before they come back.
Blue lizard gonna see us. I'm
Good.
gonna use this.
Okay, we managed to
Okay,
get out of
we
there.
made it. Alright, this is where we, right?
Okay, yeah, let's end it off here.
Okay, that's our next food.
Okay.
Those mushrooms.
Okay, well, that was difficult, and I killed you like 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times. We know 2 actually.
Well, we're ending this
3.
video off here. I hope to see you all next time. See